Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before removing services from Windows 11, back up your system and create a system restore point. This prevents irreversible damage if you remove a critical component. Use Win+R and type services. MSC to open the services console and locate the target service by name. Verify dependencies and check the service description so you do not disable required system functions. Note any related startup programs in Task Manager before making changes. Proceed only when you have a verified rollback plan in place. Open an elevated command prompt by right-clicking Start and choosing Terminal Admin. Stop the service using SC stop service name and wait until the service shows stopped. After stopping, delete the service with SC delete service name to remove its registration. Alternatively, open services. MSC, stop the service, and set startup type to disabled before deletion. For stubborn services, export, then delete the registry key at HKey local machine /system, /current control set /services /service name using regedit carefully. Reboot to apply registry changes and verify removal. If deletion fails, create a system restore point and export the service registry key as a backup file. Boot into safe mode by holding Shift while selecting Restart and choosing Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and Startup Settings. In safe mode, repeat SC delete or remove the registry key to bypass locks from running processes. Use auto runs. EXE from sysinternals to locate remaining startup entries and uncheck or delete them. If the system becomes unstable, restore the registry export or use the system restore point to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.